Good evening, everyone. This is Mayank Janji, and this is our data FIs. I mean, this is the data for FIs and DIs for today's trading. If it's on the FI side, on the options side, they have sold net contracts, and on the call, and they also bought puts. So both are basically a bearish stance. Similarly, on the futures side, index futures side, they have again shorted around 4,000 odd contracts net, and that takes the value, if you see, for the to close to around 1.98 lakh contracts short on the future side. And if you see, this is a big number. If you see, this number is not the entire last 1 month period. Even if I change my months from here to, let's suppose, December also, the maximum it went is not like is more 1.65 lakhs. Even in November, the value was not at this level. October, so as in more and more I go in the previous months, except on correct. That's also the peak of 1.94 lakhs on 14 October. So the point is, nutshell is that FIs are massively going short on the futures as on the option side. So this is not good. On the DI side, on the proprietary side, they are, again they also bearish. On the retail clients are bullish on derivative side. In the cash segment, FIs have sold, contracts of around 1,000. Sorry, not this one. They have sold contracts of around 1,500 crores, and it is kind of largely balanced by the DI purchases. For this whole month as of now, if we see the monthly data here, this is all in red for FIs except one day, which is 2nd January, which is again a very basic, by very small amount which they have purchased. Data is bearish. Now, as we knew that they have bought the puts and they have sold the contracts, so let's see what happens over there. This is my derivatives data, and I've taken last, it's around 10% data. And this is I've taken now intentionally for 20th of January because today's expiry has passed. So what we see here is that there is a massive addition happening on the two main things, 26,000 contracts and Nifty 800 call contracts. So red are in call and green is in put. So seems they have sold these contracts and they purchased some puts around these levels, this and this. So what are these levels? 25,600 and 25,700. So what it means? It means that we are not going to see any particular rise in the market until it crosses this level of 25,800. That's one, a smaller one, and beyond it the bigger one is 26,000. So these are key levels to watch out for. If we go past this level, I think then as per derivatives data, we are able to see, we will be seeing massive short covering in these short contracts on the call side, which will further bring the push to the upside market. On the other side, if it falls down, so we will see, all these people who have sold these, put contracts here and there would start to cover them. This again would basically lead to a massive, shorts. A massive spurt in the acceleration of the Nifty on the downside. So the key level to watch out for is, as per this data, is 25,700 on the downside and 26,000 on the upside. So this is what my derivative data says. If you have any queries, please shoot out to me. I'll be happy to respond. Until then, thank you very much. Good night.